Creating a meditation routine and finding time to meditate regularly. So I'll admit I'm not the best at this, but my pre-trading exercise I am really good at. But actual meditation throughout the day, not so much setting time aside. Usually when I go to the beach, it's I do spend quite a bit of my time there reading and just sitting, just enjoying nature and feeling the sun and going through my thoughts and planning and stuff, right? And then at nighttime, sometimes I do go over my goals and what went good that day and what I want to do tomorrow. Not the best at that either, but it helps when I do. So, establishing a regular meditation routine is essential for experiencing the benefits of mindfulness and trading. Start by setting aside a specific time and place for meditation each day. So I know for sure my morning every day I'm gonna have that quick meditation, breath work, um, body calming. And it's 30 seconds to a minute, right? I'm not doing a full body scan. I'm just checking in on my mind, getting my mind ready, breathe, and let's go. Let's do it. Um, these short sessions, 5 to 10 minutes. So there's an app. I think it's called Headspace. It has some guided meditations, or on YouTube, there's a bunch as well. That's what I do when I want something to meditate and focus on, because when I'm just thinking, it's more of I don't really quiet it. I just kind of get my brain focused on what I need to do in life, right? So I really need a guided meditation to bring me through those body scans and stuff. Also, I have Mintal, Mintal. It's a sleep tracker type thing, but they have meditations built in, and or just some music if you need some, calming music or nature sounds, right? And then these could be anywhere from 5 to 20 minute meditation, so those help as well. And it's built into the sleep tracker, so it'll fade out. So it kind of gets you deeper and deeper into a sleep. And then also my alarm's built into that app, so kind of all works together. Whatever works for you, though, definitely spend some time with this and figure out what styles you like. So next line, perfectly let in. Try different types of meditation. There's many ways of going about it. You're gonna want to figure out which ones work and resonate with you, because then it'll help you go into the flow through that process much easier. So use guided meditation apps, or like I said, YouTube has a bunch of free ones. And consistency is key. Make it a daily habit, and you'll start to see benefits over time. So for me, when I do it throughout the day, definitely notice a difference. But like I said, that middle of the day longer meditation slips me a lot. But in the morning and most of the time at night, I do have a little session. So definitely, I notice my best performance happens when I'm consistently doing those, rather than if I wake up late or something like that and I just kind of rush to the charts. It's usually when my losses happen. So definitely work on your mind. It's a muscle, right? You got to train your mind, focus your mind, just like you go to the gym and lift weights, just like you study to learn a skill. You gotta work your brain, right? You gotta keep it growing, or you're gonna lose it. We're gonna talk about techniques. So practice mindfulness during trading can help you stay focused on the present moment, rather than dwelling on the past mistakes or worrying about the future. So that alone is what helps me a lot. I focus on the good trades, tell myself calm down, get in on that present moment so I could watch price unfold for me. Breath awareness and body scans and visualization techniques. So what I'm doing is a breath awareness with the visualization of my winning trades. And this keeps me focused on what I need to be working on, the goals, something that shows me success, that I can do it, rather than worrying about my mistakes, right? So it could help you develop a greater sense of self-awareness, emotional regulation, which is huge because you don't want to be an emotional trader. You want to have your rules and execute those rules, right? So you want to be calm and centered when your mindset. This helps you avoid those impulsive decisions and make more rational choices based on your actual analysis and strategy. So it helps you make sure that your setup is really your setup, and you're not just skipping over a couple rules and be like, yeah, close enough. All right, here's my entry, right? No, calm down, ground yourself, reference your rules, execute to what you know works and your highest level that you know because you wrote that plan out, that that's what you want to be doing day in and day out, right? So focus on that. Try out some meditation techniques, figure out which one works for you, and we're gonna go into negative and negative self-talk in the next section or next lesson.